Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You can see here, this is a PM Phatail kit. Okay, this is assembled the way we do it, using masses of masking tape and gaffer tape. That way, when you're fitting it, you shouldn't damage any of the chrome or polished parts. Okay, as you can see, it looks a mess, but once all that's pulled off, the masking tape will come off, and you can obviously perfect wheel when you're fitting it. Okay, and also the pulley as well, obviously well protected to make sure that doesn't get scratched. PM Phatail kit basically comes with your spat. This goes on your frame, fits in, stops all the crap going all over everything. These are your brand new struts, which there's no bolt holes because they are hidden. Okay, this will go onto your frame and your fender will fit on here. These are your swinging arm covers, little Phatail emblems, look very cool. And your mud guard, which is here. Okay, as you can see, this will go in here. So very, very cool looking mud guard. Okay, this is your little belt guard. Okay, that will fit in there as well, like that. So your belt guard will go in that gap, like that. But very cool kits. If you're interested, give us a call. 01773 835 666. Does come complete with a pair of struts, big ass fender as well, as you can see. Beautifully made, solid steel, proper American made things, not Chinese rubbish, all strengthened. Run your wires etc through there if you want to, or just use them for strength. But as you can see, we also do bullet pulleys, we do different wheels, fat spokes, we do billet, we do pulleys. You know, you pretty well name it. We've got big bore kits, different fenders you can use, 23, 26 inch wheels, motors, brake upgrades, pretty much anything you ever need to build a bike. So give us a call, 01773 835 666, alternatively customcruisers.com. Thank you.